How to draw China. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, to begin drawing China, we will start by drawing a curved squiggly line. Then from where we left off, we are going to continue drawing a squiggly line that curves downwards. Awesome job! Then we are going to draw a squiggly line going to the right from the bottom of this one, and all the rest of the lines that we draw are going to be either squiggly or curved. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw another squiggly line that's going to go upwards and curve to the left a little bit. Then from the top of this, we are going to draw a small squiggly line going to the right a little bit, and then one that goes back to the left. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a curved line looking similar to a C that then curves upwards, making a point at the top of the C. Then from that, we are going to continue drawing a slightly curved diagonal line going upwards to the right. Next, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going down and to the left, and then a curvy line going upwards to the left from that. Then from the top of this, we are going to draw a curved line making a hump at the top, and then a small curved line making a hump going to the left, and then a squiggly diagonal line going down and to the left. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a squiggly line that curves downwards and then up towards the left. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw another squiggly line that's going to connect this shape together right here. Then at the end, we are going to draw a small circular shape below the right part of China that I will point out later. This is How to Draw China! Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, the small circular shape will be right here. And if you want to stick around until the very end, you can see our drawing all colored in. And lastly, don't forget to comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.